Save the pig! What the heck? A pig with a party hat. Hello, Mr. Piggy. The secret piggy. Save the pig, the game. The whole game you're trying to save the pig's life. Help!
A couple quick things as we're about to begin. Number one, I just announced this. It was an on-the-fly decision. I will do a Magic 8-Ball reading for anyone who does an $8 super chat as well as an $8 tip or larger. It used to only be tips, but I said, hey, I'll do it for super chats now too. So if anyone wants an 8-Ball reading, we haven't done Magic 8-Ball readings regularly in ages. So maybe it's a way that people would be more interested if they could only super chat, okay? And, particularly, right now, the best way to help me out would be tipping, because that will help me to afford all the games coming out in the next few weeks. In addition to that, my YouTube payment's going to be delayed this month. It really sucks, the timing, that it has to be delayed the same month. I have to drop a bunch of money on games at the same time. So if you could tip, that would help a lot. Everything's appreciated today, though, and I will not keep talking about it all stream, I promise you.
Give me money, money! And then I received a $40 tip. I've never run into this thing before. What is it, a money creature? Yeah, look, it's a money creature. It just throws money around. What the hell was that? Alright. Guys, that is it for Assassin's Creed Mirage today. Another day of great progress and chill fun. And thank you all for joining me. Everyone who was here live for the stream, I appreciate you hanging out with me. And for those who supported the stream, obviously, thank you so much for that as well. The behind-the-scenes things going on with mobile games. Here we go, let's get some pulls. Come on. Pull the gotcha. Pull on my gotcha. Come on. You know we gotta get some pulls.
It's just not an equivalent experience on both sides when you're playing crossplay, right? So to prove my point, I disabled crossplay. The trolls actually demanded this and said, you should disable crossplay because we know what'll happen. Phil will suck once he disables crossplay, and once he sucks, we can now say, ha, all along it was you and not the crossplay. So I disabled crossplay, and I went from having a losing record to a winning record, and then on the second stream with Blanca, I went to an overwhelmingly majority winning record in Master. I proved my point, that once the crossplay was disabled and it was a fair fight, I was winning a lot of the time, if not the majority of the time. So I was absolutely correct and proved it all, alright? So now I want to know what they're doing now? Now the trolls say, oh, you turned crossplay back on. You're dodging the PC players. You don't want to play the best players. Wait, what the fuck are you talking about? You're the ones who demanded I turn it off to try to prove me wrong. I proved my points correct, that I can never have a fair match against a PC player. Now you want me to play all PC players, because you're shitbags. All you want is for me to lose. You don't want me to actually have any good matches at this level. Fuck you. No one cares about your opinion. Literally no one of any brain capacity cares. So I'm not turning the crossplay back on unless I feel like it. If we have a night where I'm super bored because I'm fighting the same 5 people all night, then I'll turn the crossplay back on. But I'll tell you right now, initially I'm not doing it. I want to have fair matches when I'm trying to actually do well in this game.
Oh my god, he's drinking salt.
I'm not listening to morons. So if any moron comes on the chat tonight and spams that, they're going to be banned within 5 seconds. Like, literally, I just have no tolerance for it. The moment I see it, they're just going to be out of here, and I don't give 2 shits. I just don't have any patience for this nonsense. It's like, so, when you play well, we hate it. When you play badly, we make fun of you. Oh, wait, you started playing well again? We hate it. Let's make excuses for why you're playing well. So then I work around the excuse to prove that you're full of shit. Oh, wait, we don't like that either. Now go back the other way. No, fuck all of you. Every one of you. Fuck you. No one cares about you. Not even your parents. Okay. Alright, let's get ready to start. I got a $5 tip from Big Papa Phil, and he says, I think you should turn crossplay back on. Big Papa Phil, no! That was level 3. I did level 3 through his little kick, and I would have won if it came out. Okay. That's it. Just guess and throw fireballs. He did not do anything intelligent whatsoever. 100% online scrub pattern play beats Blanca. I can't do anything. All I can do is random level 3, that's it. So he earned nothing again. Once again, all his damage is unearned. It's just fucking top tier nonsense. Get a 50% punish combo. Of course, random. I was blocking down back. I can't do anything. That's it. That's game. Literally everything he does standing next to me beats everything I do, out-prioritizes me, and he doesn't need any effort whatsoever to stop it. He can just sit there and mash jab or up blade kick, beats everything I have. So I either mix him up, or he just mashes jab and beats everything I have, and I lose clean. Top tiers. Top tiers are fucking busted, dude. Again, did he outplay me? Absolutely not. He didn't even do anything. He just sat there and pressed jab. Jab block! That's it, she gets level 3 combo. Completely unearned. Yep. Completely unearned. It's game over now. Completely unearned. She doesn't block on jump, so she gets a free combo. That's the end of the game. Nothing I can do about it. It has to block. Now he gets level 3. Oh, he dropped it. Now another free hit! There's nothing I can do. Dude, I'm telling you, it's all free. It's all free shit online. I can't do anything about anything he just did. I don't have options besides guess an unfair or unsafe reversal. That's it. I can't do shit to it. I can't parry it. I can't counter it. It's all unsafe mid-screen shit, or unfair mid-screen shit. I can't counter any of the shit he just did. Now I can't, I still can't, see? It does high-low wrong. So I want standing roundhouse to anti-air, I get crouch. Now he drive rushes forward, does low kick, I want crouch if he stands. I can't make the game react to my inputs when I do them. I can't make the game react to what I do. It has to do it when I push it, and it's not doing it.
I don't want to sit here and play top tiers all day. I don't like playing top tiers in this game online. I think it's more fun to play with mid to low tiers and just mess around and have fun.
Or not. So she didn't do level 3, which would have guaranteed the win. Instead, she jumped out of the corner incorrectly, which is the worst move. But because, of course, no one would think she would just jump out of the corner, I jump. I land next to her accidentally. She mashes jab and gets jab, 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 level 3. There you go. I have my chance. I put him in the corner. He just jumps out. It's game over. Complete luck, by the way. Literally luck. Everything he's hitting me with. No, that's it! I thought I had her. I thought I had it interrupted. I think she fucked up because I don't think she wanted that. I don't think she wanted that fierce punch sequence she did by accident. He did it 3 times. I couldn't interrupt it. Wow! I didn't even know that. You can punish the slide mid-screen. That's really good. That's really good gameplay. Punishing the slide mid-screen. That's good stuff. Good match. Yeah. Yep. That's it. Look at this. That's game. He plays a pattern. Did he react and fool me or do anything impressive? No, he literally just played a pattern, a safe pattern. I can't get out of it. That's game. He's gonna do level 3. Yep. That's game. Did he earn it? Nope. Didn't earn it. Got lucky. Got incredibly lucky because he was right in front of me. I did my anti-air, but of course because I'm Blanca, my anti-air isn't good. It's my only reversal move. He gets to step back away from it and then counter me with a level 3. He didn't earn it. No parry. Oh my god, yo, come on, like ultra delay. Every button is ultra delay standing right next to me. Here's the button, nothing comes out. Give me my fucking move. Wow, you really earned it, dude. I had the game won. I timed it right, I countered what he did, I had the combo, and the game takes it away. That was win. I had it. It's a 3-hit combo, and the game drops the combo. Fuck that. Oh my god, she wins. It doesn't anti-air in time. It comes out slow, so I lose. Bullshit. Give me my fucking anti-air. I had the match won. And it fucking comes out late, so I can't anti-air.
Oh, you're getting salt, 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 salt. It's, oh, even now, again, my mouth overpowered with salt flavor.
Nice overhead. Good mix-up. Good mix-up again. Good mix-up. Good mix-up. Literally every move was just a mix-up. I guess wrong every time. That's level 3. It's over. Yeah, bullshit. My parry didn't come out, so he got a free push to the corner and fucked me up because of it. It didn't parry at all when he jumped in, so he got a free combo out of it. That's really lame. Really lame, because again, I mean, is he a good player? Yes, he is. Did he earn any of that pressure at the end of the round? No, he did not. I can't do anything. I'm blocking high! It did it again. It won't block high. That's twice. That's twice he jumped in high. It won't block high. Fucking bullshit. So he won because the game twice in a row, and it showed twice in a row would not block high.
Code Castle cheered, and he says, I can pick up a controller and play any game at a professional level. Your words, homie. Well, if I ever said that, that's completely false.
Put it, just press the button. This is why he wins, because not only does Ryu dominate mid-screen against Blanca, now all his moves are one-button input, so he doesn't actually have to try. He doesn't have to actually time it. He can just go button, 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 button. Fucking idiot. I can't do anything. That's it. He literally has, again, no effort gameplay. One button, no effort gameplay. I love it. Fucking idiotic gameplay. What am I supposed to do besides mash super? Seriously, again, these fucking characters. What do you want me to do besides mash super? And that's scrubby gameplay. Guessing mash super is not good, and that's the only option they give me. I had to do something, and I lose. I had to input something where she was gonna fucking drive rush me into the corner, and I lose because I have no tools again. I was like, what the fuck, dude? It seems like his entire fucking moveset is designed to beat everything Blanca has. Did he earn any of those hits? Literally zero. A $5 tip. Again from Declan, thank you so much, man. He says, thanks for being understanding. It's nice to see a content creator respect his audience so much. You've improved a lot of lives. I hope you understand. Thanks again, man. Dude, here's the thing, and I will say this, alright? I'm not a perfect human. God forbid if I ever said anything like that. I am far from it. I'm a flawed individual like all of you. I make a lot of mistakes, and they're all broadcast completely across the internet to the public. When I started doing this 15 years ago, I never intended that this would become something that would have meaning to so many. But I get people who tell me all the time that what I do has meaning to them and they love it. And that's why I persevere through all the bullshit and all the hardship and all the nonsense and all the terrible things that people say about me and try to do to me and my family. I just like, you know what? I don't care. I'm going to push forward and keep being positive, and that's all I care about. So I appreciate you saying that. I appreciate your support. I'm glad you're getting something out of it. I really am. I'm glad you're getting something out of this. Did you just say laughing my ass off to that? The founding waifu? You think that's funny what I just said?
I like how you're laughing too.
Well, it's funny.
Really? You think that's funny? Is that, I mean, you literally just said laughing my fucking ass off. You do think that's funny. Okay, you know what I think is funny? That you're never coming back.
Banned, 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 banned. Gone. Forever.
Because I say something heartfelt to my audience. Someone who says something meaningful to me, I respond in a nice positive way, and you think that's funny? Well, ha ha, goodbye. No one's laughing now.
Toxic behavior. And thank you all. Great stream tonight. Everyone was very nice. Much different than last night, which was very toxic. I think we took care of a lot of that nonsense tonight. It was a good, better stream. And I appreciate everyone being here and chilling with me. All right, thanks a lot. Until next time.
Tonight, I asked my moderators to show up. No one did. Okay? I'm just making that clear. I asked my moderation team if they could show up tonight to help moderating, and no one showed up. So, it's not much I can do about that. Good news is, even with no moderation team there to help, the stream still went fine. Were there trolls? Of course. Were people restreaming my stream? Of course. That's never going to change. But, we kind of contained it. It wasn't out of control. There were a few idiots. We got rid of them, over the night, and what are you going to do? It's always going to be that, but it wasn't nearly as bad as it's been the last few multiplayer streams, I would say.
There's still this back here, and it's still in the back of my neck, the back of my head, the back of my mind, and it's always telling me it's WWE Champions time. I love it. I love it. Is a mobile game addict. Phil has indoctrinated children who send him money, blatantly milking for money. It's a money pit. It's gone. Just gone like that. In an instant. Fucking gone. I just care about money. I just can't help it. I eBay. Contributions are mandatory, but I need your help. I am appealing directly to you. No decency, no respect, no common sense, no fucking maturity. Is the guy who just doesn't get reality. What pasta do you prefer?